Hey there. Welcome back to another quick dive into the Service Desk ESM environment. If you're part of an HR team overwhelmed by emails, spreadsheets, and manual approval tracking, this video is for you. What if there is a smarter way to manage it all? In this video, I'm creating a ticket for HR using John's profile from the IT help desk team. John has completed 5 years of service and is now eligible for sabbatical. Let's assume the sabbatical request requires multiple levels of approval. We'll walk you through how HR handles the request, explore how the team can streamline the processes, safeguard employee data, and work more efficiently using SolarWinds Service Desk. I'll begin by clicking the Benefits widget on the portal, which will direct me to the Benefits inquiry form. The form automatically populates the requester's name along with its site and department if those details are defined in their profile. I'm going to select Leave Benefits for the type of benefit and sabbatical leave for the type of leave. I'll pick the expected start date. This is a simple form, but you can easily add more fields based on the information you need to collect from the requester. A well-structured intake form helps eliminate back and forth emails and saves valuable time for both requester and support team. I have all the information filled in. I'll go ahead and click Request Item. After submitting the request, John can track the status of his request under My Tickets, or he can check his email for updates. Notice that John only have a couple of tickets on his list and is also limited to the portal. When switching to the IT service provider where John is a service agent user, he gains full access to IT-related tickets but not to those submitted under the HR provider. With Enterprise Service Management or ESM, we can create a secure, siloed environment where access is role based and service specific. HR team members have full access to HR tickets, while help desk agents, although they manage IT tickets, are treated as requesters in the HR service provider. This means they can only view the portal and access requester level resources. Switching screens now, I'm stepping into the role of an HR representative from the benefits team responsible for processing leave requests. From here, I can easily navigate back to platform to review tickets assigned to me. Let's take a look at John's ticket. I'll open this one. And I'll go ahead and click the process tab to see what's happening behind the scenes. As you can see, the system has automatically updated the ticket state to pending approval, and it triggered a request for the manager's approval. This sends an email notification to the approver who can respond either directly via email or through my tasks section in Service Desk. Since I am an agent and I'm part of the approval team, I can click Approve from here. Once the manager approves, the process moves to a second approval step. For demonstration purposes, I've set up a group where I'm both a member and the assigned approver just to simplify the demo flow. I'll go ahead and approve this one. After all approvals are secured, the system assigns a task to the benefit team to update the employee time off calendar, reflecting the approved sabbatical leave. Once this is done, it sends a notification to the requester, John, informing him that his sabbatical request has been approved along with the next steps. Once the process is completed, it automatically moves the ticket state to resolve. If your process requires digital signatures for formal approvals, you can seamlessly integrate a third-party applications like DocuSign using process integration within Service Desk. It's one of the processes you can add on your service catalog item. Let me show you where it's done. You can go to Service Desk, Service Catalog, and open the service catalog item for that process. We can go to the Process tab, and this is where we can insert process integration into the process. It's one of the item that we have here in the workflow, we can click on the process integration. In this demo, we already have DocuSign built or defined in the system. Through this integration, Service Desk can automatically trigger a DocuSign envelope as part of the workflow. Once the document is signed, the status and signed copy can be returned to the Service Desk process, allowing it to continue without manual intervention. This ensures that digital signatures are captured securely and efficiently while maintaining full visibility within the systems. The process I've demonstrated in this video is quite straightforward. We've successfully streamlined a series of approvals and email notifications into a single cohesive workflow, eliminating the need to send emails manually through Outlook. This not only saves time, but also ensures consistency and traceability across the entire approval chain. Service Desk isn't just for IT. It's a powerful platform for HR as well. From onboarding to offboarding, employee transitions, policy enforcement, training, travel requests, and recruitment, HR team can manage all these processes in one place. It brings structure, speed, and visibility to every request, helping HR deliver a seamless employee experience. Want to bring HR into your service desk? Talk to your IT team or contact your CSM to get started. Thank you for watching.